girls, our essential question for math. How can you count and add using tens and ones? I can use drawings to solve problems with tens and ones. That is our objective for today. Ooh, food. Global awareness. The first Thanksgiving was celebrated one fall day when 4 settlers were sent to hunt for food for a harvest celebration. The meal consisted of deer, corn, shellfish, and roasted meat. Sounds much different from today's traditional feast. So, our first example. There were 28 ears of corn on the table. 28 is blank tens and blank ones. When I see a number, I like to draw a picture of my tens and my ones. So looking at this, I know that 2 is my tens and 8 is my ones. So 2 tens, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 tens and 8 ones. It helps me to see a picture because I am a visual learner. So I like to see things instead of just looking at numbers. So this next one, there were 17 ears of corn on the table. Think to yourself what you would need to draw, how many tens and how many ones you would need to draw for the number 17. Draw it down at the bottom and then fill in your tens and your ones. We are going to start with the song because we can, of course. So this is our song after the ad. You guys know how it goes.
Inside my head said, keep going, I know you can. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. I never knew I had so many miles inside me. The end of my trip was coming up ahead. I rode 10 more miles and reached 100. Then that little voice inside my head said, 10 ones make 10. 10 groups of 10 are 100. 10 hundreds make 1,000. The pattern never ends. After the bell rang at 8 o'clock, I started playing with my base 10 blocks. I stacked up 9 10 groups of 10 are 100. 10 hundreds make 1,000. The pattern never ends. 10 groups of 1,000 equal 10,000. 10,000 make 100,000.
Whoa!
And 10 of those make 1,000,000.
1,000,000. Okay, he's taking it a little too far. That's a big number. We're not learning about that this year. But if you want to watch the whole video to see how far he goes, go ahead. Whoa, whew. When I heard 1,000,000, I was like, whoa, 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 too much. Okay, so our review. Rob makes stacks of connecting cubes. Each stack has 10 cubes. So he has 3 tens. So 3 tens is, take a second, no, that's 4 tens. Silly Miss Harold, you need to count. 4 tens is equal to what? Look at that and see if you can count how many tens you have. 4 tens is equal to, let's count, 10, 20, 30, 40. 4 tens is 40. Which equations below are true? Choose all that apply. So that might mean there's more than one answer. So the first one, 8 plus 4 equals 6 plus 6. So let's think, 8 plus 4, 8. I'm going to put 8 in my head and count on 4 more. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? So 12 and 6 plus 6. Well, I know 6 plus 6 because that's a doubles fact. You should know it too. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Sing that song in your head if you forget. So 12 equals 12. 14 minus 9. Whoa. I can't count back in my head, so I might have to draw a picture. 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Minus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then I would count what I had left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 14 minus 9 is 5, and 5 plus 0 is 5. 12 plus 3. Put 12 in my head. 12, 13, 14, 15. 14 plus 1, 14, 15. So 12 plus 3 equals 14 plus 1. And I can already tell just by looking at this last one. 9 plus 1 is 10. And 13 minus 6, no. Our last one, write a related subtraction and addition fact. Leah has some stamps. She finds 7 more. Now she has 15. So she has 7. And she has 15 total. But also, we need 15 minus 7 to figure out our answer. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, 15 minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 7 plus 8 equals 15, and 15 minus 7 equals 8. Let's see. Our review, or our question. Draw a model to show each number. 15 is blank tens and blank ones. So remember, we always look. That first one is our tens, and that second one is our ones. So 15 would be 1 10 and 5 ones. So 1 10 and 5 ones. This next one says 45 is blank tens and blank ones. Take a few minutes to do that one independently at home. If you need to pause the video, you can. This one says, what number is represented here? How do you know? So the first thing I would do is I would count my tens and ones to figure it out. So let's count. I have 1, 2, 3. So I know I have 3 tens. And let's count our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 tens and 6 ones. Remember, when I try and figure out my numbers, I like to say it out loud and write the numbers as I say it. Or you can count these 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So how do you know that that shows 36? Well, how did you count it? You counted it by tens, and then you counted by ones. Good job. There's a second example for you to work on at home. That shows another number. Count. What number is represented here? Count your tens and ones. Write it. How do you know that that is what you counted? Your higher order question. How can you use a drawing to show how many tens and ones are in a number? Pick any number. Draw it on a sheet of paper. How do you know that you drew the right amount of tens if your number is 36? How do you know that you need to draw 3 tens? Tell us your answer on this slide. Then complete your Envisions pages 470,